In this question, we got to graph the derivative of this function here. Let's get into it. I'm Sheldon. For 15 years, I've been perfecting the fastest possible way for students to prep for and ace their math exams. All right, let's dive in. So if we click here to walkthrough, we're going to get some details here. So this is the first part of the function. Now, when x is here at 0, this is x equals 0. If we draw a tangent line, we get this one here, and it looks like it's going down, and it looks like it intersects here, and it obviously intersects where the axes cross. So the slope there goes down 2 over 1. So that's a slope of -2. All right, so we know where our derivative function starts. When x is equal to 0, our derivative function starts at -2. All right, let's move on. Let's go to x is equal to 1 here. That's this purple dot. You can see the tangent line is drawn here. It's still negative, but it's less steep. So it is closer to 1. Okay, and as x continues along to, let's say, x is equal to 2 here, this graph will be better. When x is equal to 2, the tangent line is perfectly straight and flat, which means its value is 0. So we have the first half of our derivative function. It starts at -2 and is increasing up towards 0. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'll pause really briefly here to ask you to support the channel. Hit the subscribe button, as that does really help. Leave a like, a comment, and if you're feeling super generous, repost the video. All right, let's look at the next half of this function. So our function is now going like this way. It's actually increasing now. It's going up. So if we look at the tangent lines, what do we see? Well, when x is equal to +3 here, you can see the tangent line is going up at like a 45-degree angle. That would mean a slope of about 1. And as x increases from 3 to 4, now the tangent lines are much steeper. They're actually going to +2, because look, here's an intersection point here, and there's another one there. And to get between them, you go up 2 over 1. So that's a slope of +2. So now we have an idea for the second half of the function. Remember, at that cusp point, at the vertex, it was a slope of 0, and then it's increasing here to +2. So if we put all these together, we can click here on the solution button, and you'll see, aha, so we started at -2, we come up through 0 when x is equal to 2, and then we land at a value of 2 when x is equal to 4. And this makes sense, right? This is a line, and what did we start with? We started with a parabola, so something with degree 2, and we take the derivative, and that brings us down to degree 1. So we actually do expect a line to be here. Now, how do we find this question? Click consultmathexams.com, scroll down to pre-university prep, it's a free course, and then click on Review Basics.